In this video, I will take an in-depth look at the brand new Nanoleaf 4D V2. This upgraded version aims to fix the small issues from the original model while pushing the boundaries of what screen mirroring technology can achieve. The core of this system is the high-definition camera that sits either above or below your television screen to scan the colors in real time. One of the biggest improvements in the V2 is the processing speed, because the lights now react with almost zero latency, which creates a seamless extension of the action on your display. The colors are much more vibrant than before, and the transition between different hues feels incredibly smooth. You get a much better sense of depth when watching fast-paced movies or playing modern video games. Setting it up remains quite simple using the official app, but you do need to be careful with the camera alignment to get the most accurate results. A major benefit of this system is that it works with any source since the camera is doing the work rather than an HDMI sync box, which can often limit your resolution or refresh rate.